See if we get anything come up. Broken cable. What you talking about, Willis? If I can figure out how to power it on. How you turn on?
1 hour later.
Come on. How you turn this stupid phone on here, guys? Yay. I'm an idiot. Can't even turn on a phone. Fuck.
Oh, you idiot!
Jedi dumbass.
Ah, there's the dumbass.
What are you?
An idiot sandwich.
Idiot sandwich what?
An idiot sandwich.
I would like to introduce the newest, hopeless appendage to the student body.
Idiotic human.
Well, I found what I could find on the screws. I don't know. We may be a screw short. We'll find out. Surely we'll be okay missing a screw. I just wanted to see if I could actually repair this thing, get it back working. It's pretty incredible what these things will actually go through. Get all of our screws back in here. I think I'm just gonna time warp through this and give you a nice little time lapse or something here, guys, while we finish getting it back together. And we'll see what happens. Stay tuned, guys. Alright, so it looks like I am missing two screws. I'll dig around in my parts bin here in a bit and see if I got one, but I think we gotta sit here and focus on the front of this now and see if we can't get it cleaned up. I think I'll just grab me a razor blade maybe and run gently around it. Well, maybe this might just peel off. Oh yeah, this right here will just peel off. I'll come back with an X-Acto knife and get that, but let's go ahead and just pop her together here. Make sure everything fits in there nice. Everything's seated nice. Looks like we're pretty well flat. I had to put a little bit of super glue right here on the fingerprint reader. The back case was broke and it wouldn't hold the fingerprint reader, so hopefully that will still work. If not, it's not that big a deal. Mainly just in this for functionality. Oh, see. Alright, now I think we're deader than the hammer, so let's go ahead and put some charge on that. See if we get anything come up. Broken cable. What you talking about, Willis? You say you're not gonna charge? Is that what you're telling me? Well, let me look around here and see if I can't find a another cable. But display is working, so I don't know if I have touch yet. So we'll come back when I find a cable. We'll get this charged up some and see what happens. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, we got it charging here now. We got it at 10%. Let's see if we can't get it to power on here. If I can figure out how to power it on. How you turn on? Come on. How you turn this stupid phone on here, guys? Well, what the fuck? I have no idea how to turn this stupid phone on. I mean, we're charging though, so I mean, there's that. I just don't know how to turn it on. Well, alrighty then, guys. I guess that's gonna do it. I gotta get a hold of my daughter and figure out how to turn this on, so yay. I'm an idiot. Can't even turn on a phone. Fuck. Alright guys, I guess I'm gonna call it on this one. I'm gonna get the rest of this glue here cleaned off of it, talk with my daughter, figure out how to turn this stupid phone on, and but apparently it looks like it's working so far, so looks like gonna be a successful repair. Only missing 2 screws. That's a win. Alright guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave me some comments down there in the doobly-doo and tell me all the things that I fucked up in this video. I'm waiting for your encouragement.